Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you the process I use to give my hair a protein treatment. Now to do that you will need an egg, some mayo, and I'm going to be putting in some of my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner because it is filled with protein. All right. And I'm also going to be using some coconut oil. Now I am almost out of mayo. This is not enough. So this is the reason why I am using the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. So I am just emptying what is left in this jar into my bowl. And then I am going to be putting in some of my Shea Moisture, then my egg and my coconut oil. Now you want to make sure that you are using a different utensil to scoop out that Shea Moisture because you don't want it to go bad. So I am using 3 scoops of Shea Moisture and then my egg. Just crack that egg and put in everything. Now I'll be putting in 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now the coconut oil is to add some moisture to your hair because the protein treatment is something that makes your hair hard. So, and this will also help in giving the treatment some slip. So, this is what it looks like when everything is in the bowl. So now you just want to mix well. Now we are ready for our application. Now look at my hair. It is dry. Now how do you know when your hair is ready for a protein treatment? So one way to tell if your hair is low on protein is if it is low on elasticity, which means if your hair is wet and you stretch it and it doesn't snap back or return to its natural state, then you need a protein treatment. Also, if your hair is limp and stringy or gummy while it is wet, then you need a protein treatment. If your hair is excessively dry, you need a protein treatment. And if you are like me where your hair is chemically processed, then you do need a protein treatment. Now, what are the benefits of getting a protein treatment? So, our hair is made up of approximately 91% of protein. So, what does that mean? It means that our hair is basically protein. No, protein is needed for our hair to be healthy and strong and for it to grow. All right, so it is basically the building block for nourished, strong, healthy hair. So a protein treatment now acts as a conditioner that binds proteins to the cuticle layer of our hair strands, thus making them stronger and less likely to damage in the future. So yes, a protein treatment is essential for strong, healthy, growing hair. So what I am doing here is just rubbing the mixture all over my hair, and then I am going to be separating and applying while detangling my hair. No, I am finger detangling because I want to make sure that I am not creating any form of breakage to my hair. No, please do not pay attention to the fact that I am using a t-shirt for my coverage instead of a towel. I used the t-shirt because I did not want to get egg on any of my towels. So my application is now completed, and what I am going to do now is to get my hands washed and come back. My hands are now washed, and I am now going to wrap my hair with my plastic wrap and leave this in my hair for around 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so I am back. Now, when you do a protein treatment, you need to make sure that you are using a good conditioner, and after you have washed out the protein treatment, you go ahead and put some conditioner in your hair and leave it in your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, because what the protein treatment does is that it makes the hair very hard, or if it doesn't make it hard, your hair feels coarse after the treatment, because that is what the protein does. It hardens the hair, so your hair gets thick and the moisture is gone. There's no moisture left in your hair after the protein treatment. So unfortunately for me, I could not find my conditioner. I somehow misplaced it. So right now my hair is feeling rather coarse. So I went ahead to see if I can get back some moisture in my hair. I mixed up my coconut oil. I put a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil in it, and I also put some peppermint essential oil in it. Alright, so I am just going to rub this in my hair. I want to make sure that it goes on the scalp. Also, you do that when you put that egg in your hair, you want to make sure that after putting the cling wrap on your head, you want to make sure that you do not leave that on your head for too long, because honey, that egg will cook in your head. I left it on for a little bit over half an hour, and I'm telling you, I had to be picking out egg that was cooked from in my hair. So I'm just rubbing up some. Alright, so I am going to be putting back some of this in my hair, because it's leave-in. Even it's used for, I used it in my protein treatment, but it's a very good leave-in conditioner, so I am going to put some of it in my hair. And it is very moisturizing, so, and that's what I need, moisture. Then I am going to put some of this in my hair. Now when you do a protein treatment, what it actually helps with your curls if you have curls. You know, well, everybody has curls, just different curl pattern. So it also helps those curls to pop. Okay, because as you can see here, my curls have been revived. My hair was very dull before, and now you can see where my curls have been revived. So getting a protein treatment also help with that. And as you see in the video that I did last week, the detox, the hair detox with the apple cider vinegar and the Aztec clay, those also help with the curl, with your curls popping. Yeah. So if I should go ahead and do a wash and go right now, you would see how defined my curls would be. Okay, but I am not going to be doing that right now because I don't feel like doing a wash and go right now. So this is where it ends. See that? Defined, and all I did was put in my oil, my Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and some curl enhancing smoothie. So if you have not yet checked out the video that I did with the hair detox, please go ahead and check that out, and check out the rest of my videos while you're at it. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, if this video was useful to you, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing. It is free, guys. It doesn't cost anything, so just give me your support. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you, guys, and remember to leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this protein treatment, and if you are willing to try it on your hair. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a blessed day.